Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing these clear indicator lenses. They're just going to be replacing these existing ones on the wing now. They're the stock amber ones. Yeah, it should be a quick and simple install. Literally this should come off. So yeah, just use my fingers, pushed it in, and that's basically come out. And then this is going to twist out. There you go, it's twisted out. And it should just wiggle out. So yeah, obviously, because this has got the amber lenses, is it just going to use like a clear bulb? What I'm going to be doing is also replacing for an amber bulb, because obviously I'm putting clear lenses on. So yeah, that's that one in. Yeah, just make sure the O-ring is seated. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just plug the bulb in to the socket. Okay, so I plugged that in, and now it's got a little hook over here, which is this hook here, and that's just going to sit in between the wing. That's what we're going to push in, and the other tab over here is just going to squeeze shut. So if I just show you, this is the hook there. I'm just going to put that in first, position that, and then this side should just press in. There you go, that's all in now. In my opinion, that looks a lot better than the amber ones. So I've come over to the other side. It's going to be the same process again. Oh, this one's a bit dirty inside. Yeah, so this should just twist off. There you go, so that just twists off. That's off. And take this bulb out, because we're going to be putting the amber bulbs in. So that's the clear I'm getting rid of. The amber I'm putting in. Yeah, and that's that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If anyone does want these ones, give me a shout. I'll probably be selling them anyway. They're not cracked or broken, the seals are all there. And I've got 2 spare bulbs as well. They're fully working. I just got to see where I just dropped the other one. But yeah, if anyone wants these, give me a shout and then we'll sort something out. And yeah, thanks for watching.